travelers, welcome to our channel Aerial Pixel. Today we are going to show you something really interesting in Skansen. So let's go. This is Skansen. Skansen is the first open-air museum and zoo in Europe, and this located on the Djurgården island. It was opened on 11th October 1891 by Artur Hazelius, just to show the way of life in different parts of Sweden before the industrial era. If you get inside and explore and roam around, you have to buy the ticket. The ticket price is for adults 220, for senior citizenship and student is 200 per person. Children from 4 years to 15 years is 70 crown, and children from 0 to 3 years is free. The 19th century was a period of the period of huge change. There was a drastic change, in fact, throughout the whole Europe, and Sweden was no exception. The rural life was rapidly giving way to actually it was transforming to the industrialized society, and many feared that their original customs, traditional customs, and many occupation might be lost to the history. This Skansen was part of Nordic Museum. So you have seen many objects inside the building are still the property of Nordic Museum, but it was individual organization in 1963. There is also an open-air zoo containing a wide range of Scandinavian animals, including brown bear, moose, lynx, seal, grey seal, and otter, wolf, reindeer, wolverine, and a lot of. So you can see also some non-Scandinavian animals just because of their popularity. Some farmsteads where you can see also some rare breed of farm animals here also. So this is that open-air zoo in Skansen.